Get off. It means to leave a vehicle, such as a bus or train. Example: I need to get off at the next stop. Get on. This means to enter or board a vehicle. Example: hurry up. We need to get on the train before it leaves. Get out means to leave a place or vehicle. Example: it's raining. Let's get out of the car quickly. Get in means to enter a place or vehicle. Example: get in the taxi, it's already here. Get down means to lower oneself, often to avoid danger. Example: get down. There's a low branch ahead. Get along means to have a good relationship with someone. Example: I really get along with my new colleagues. Get back means to return to a place. Example: I just got back from my vacation. Get together means to meet socially. Example: let's get together this weekend and catch up. Get around means to move from place to place. Example: it's easy to get around the city with a bike. Get away means to escape or go on vacation. Example: I need to get away for a few days to relax. Get up means to rise from bed or a seated position. Example: I usually get up at 6 a.m. to exercise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.